I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
What up, He Nation? It's y'all boy, the Breaker of Bars. Yes, you already know he will not steer you wrong. Patreon family, Discord family, I appreciate the continued support, and hopefully y'all continue to support me. If you haven't joined either the Discord or the Patreon yet, the links are in the description. The Discord is free. The Patreon does cost a little, but there's perks. So y'all can check them out in the description. We got a live request. We got Maroon 5 Payphone featuring Wiz Khalifa. I've never heard this song. I don't even know. I know I've heard Maroon 5 before, but I can't even tell you what song I've heard from Maroon 5. So we about to go into it. Check this out. See what we got. Also, we're on the road to 100K. Now y'all come in here, y'all. Y'all come in here. I can't do this without y'all. So please, if y'all watching, y'all like the channel, y'all like the reactions, y'all want me to continue with the reactions, please hit the subscribe button and consider turning that bell on as well. Let's go. Did my man just pull out a flip phone? He hit it so like, you know, used to be cool, flip, let that motherfucker snap back. Then he said it's worthless and tossed it. He had to upgrade. Let's go. The good old trusty payphone. A good old trusty payphone.
Hello?
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
Oh, he went in a full, oh my God. Hey, I wasn't expecting that. He went in the full cake mode. He went full cake mode on this payphone.
Home, all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's get down, the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And then that time I
Said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? Hard.
too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of payphone trying to go. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby?
Bro, they have automatic machine guns. You grab a pistol, get up and run for the door, and you not even bucking back? You to put the pretty little lady in danger too? It's just a music video. It's a music video. Okay, let's go.
I'm trying to go. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit.
Oh, all those fairy tales are full of shit. Them fairy tales full of shit. That same Spare me from a fairy tale, okay? Hey, no.
All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turned your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect.
My man, I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Oh man, hold up.
Gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away.
She should have got popped with that 9 that you threw. She should have got one. She should have got caught a hot one.
Yesterday, I gave you my love to borrow, but you just
Gave it away.
You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when
I like this.
love, but even the sun.
Why are they chasing him like there wasn't still men in the damn bank with machine gun? Why are they chasing this man? Why?
That time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of payphone, trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone? Maybe it's over. Where are the plans we made?
Look like San Andreas, huh? San Andreas. Hey, Grand Theft Auto, let's go.
If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Man, fuck that shit.
Yeah.
I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting. All of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you could tell it I'm ballin'. Switch, what a shame, could've got picked.
You can tell that I'm balling. Swish, we hooping. We hooping, we okay.
You never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you could tell it I'm ballin'.
Yeah.
Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top. Or what you
You met your last shot. Swish, you made your last shot. Okay. We still talking b-ball talk.
pick. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could have saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wished I go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
Oh, this is how he got to this part of the shit right here. This wasn't the car burning in the beginning. That was fire how this all came beginning to end to beginning. Hey, that was pretty nice right there. That was pretty nice. Would y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man? If we want any more Maroon 5, this is what I need y'all to do. Hit the like button, okay? Step 1, hit the like button. Step 2, hit the subscribe button. That's step 2. If you want more Maroon 5, 2 steps right there. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Listen up, if you still want more Maroon 5, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below, what else should I check out from Maroon 5? If I don't see comments, I don't know what to do, because I don't know Maroon 5. So what do I need to react to from Maroon 5 is on y'all. Like button, subscribe, comment. He out. Peace.